This is the entry. This is the living area. This is the entrance. There's one bedroom right here with wardrobes. These are the balconies. This is the view. This is storage area. This is one large master bedroom. What else here? This is the toilet. This is the kitchen. This is the area for the village. This is the servant's entry and the servant room. This can be used as a storage area. This is the second living room. This is the view from this side. This is the powder room. This is again the master bed with balconies.